Hi guys, here we've got Apple iPhone and let me show you how to add topic to your messages. So first of all, we have to open settings, then scroll and look for messages, then smoothly open. Now go a bit lower and here you will notice show subject file. So click on it to activate it, then go back to new message. And now you can smoothly enter the subject. And then you can provide the text of this message. And that's it. Then you can smoothly send it along with the topic. Then, if you'll turn it on or turn it off, as you can see, there is no option to add this topic. So that's it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.